Today I'm going to show you how to fix your hyper flashing issue. If you have recently installed aftermarket LED lights on the rear or in the front and your blinkers go hyper flashing like this usually happens because your car thinks that there is a low supply of voltage and one of the bulb is fused, but that's not the case, and this happens because the car actually consumes low power for the LED lights. And here is the simple fix that will solve your hyper flashing problem, and this comes with its own timing control, as well as you will be able to set up tap to flash. If you just hit it once, it will flash 3 times, and that is basically a feature that modern cars usually have. Instead of putting the whole blinker, you can simply indicate which side you're turning just by tapping it once, up or down, for left or right, and then the blinker will blink 3 times in the same direction. So this relay will help you do that, and I'm going to show you how to install it. The installation is pretty simple. You need a Phillips screwdriver to remove 2 screws from here. So this is 1 screw right there, and the other screw is right here. Once we remove these 2 screws, we can pull this plastic trim downwards and then simply disconnect the OBD port as well as the other clips right there, and they should come out easily. This is the first screw and the second screw, and this should just pop out just like this. And once you loosen those 2 screws from either sides, this plastic will also have this OBD, which you can remove by pressing it on both sides here from under the plastic, and it should come out easily from here. And it also has this light that you can just unplug right here. Ignore these other wires. These are aftermarket wires from my USB extender for my aftermarket CarPlay screen. And the location for the original relay is under the steering column. So here's the brake pedal, and going underneath, just above it, this is the steering column. As you can see on the right top, the blue one is the original relay that we have to remove and replace. As you can see, this relay has a white plastic tab that we need to remove carefully, and then we can press on those purple tabs to release the relay. Alright, this is now out, and as you can see, this is the original Toyota Lexus one. There is a clip here that goes in, and as you can see, I had to forcefully bend out the sides of these so that I could easily pull it out. And here is the side-by-side comparison with the aftermarket LED relay. This green one is the Denso Toyota original relay, which I'm going to keep aside with me safe. And now I'm going to go ahead and simply install this in. And as you can see, there is a timer on the top that can control the flashing speed of my blinker. And this timer on the top is basically to control how fast my blinker will flash. I'm going to set up the timer later on, but first I have to transfer this white plastic tab from the original relay to the aftermarket relay. And transferring this white tab is very simple. As you can see on the center right here, there is this green tab that I need to push it out, and this plastic tab should come out easily. Alright, the plastic is out now. I just used a small flathead to push this one out, and it should go in easily. Just like this. I'm just gonna plug it in the same way I took it out, and I will test out the flasher, and if I'm not happy with it, I can increase or decrease my flashing speed from this controller right here. Just like this, it is now put back. So now I can test my flasher. As you can see, the timer is too fast and the blinker is flashing way faster than before, and this means I have to adjust my timer to a bit slower. And it is pretty simple to adjust it from here, and you can hear the click. So if I turn it anti-clockwise, you can hear that the clicker has slowed down, which means my blinker would be flashing a bit slower. I think this is fine. Let me go outside and check the car. And there you go. Now it is flashing properly with a nice sync to it. So now I'm going to check the other side too. As you can see, it is now flashing properly. And let's check out the tap to flash. So as you can see, if I tap it here, this should tap 3 times. If I just do it this way, now it flashes 3 times, which is exactly what I wanted. So this is what normal blinking looks like right now. And the hyper flashing is now stopped. So I can put back everything the same way I took it out. And this is how you fix your hyper flashing blinker problem.